Hello, Avinash. What shall
Good
we do
evening, sir.
today?
Yes, sir. I will learning array.
Okay. What is an array? Array is is a collection of variables of the same type. Now, in some programs you want one value, two value. In some programs you need many values. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For example, if there are 10 students in a class, then we can make an array called a student and store all the 10 elements in one single variable. Otherwise, we'll have to take 10 variables, student one, student two, student three. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
array is a collection of values of the same type. Why? Because at sometimes we need multiple values of the same type. Okay, one such
Um,
situation is, as we said, is the students in the class. Then we have
yes, sir.
coaches in a train, birds inside a train. They're numbered from 1 to 72 in many cases. All these things are arrays. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mostly we'll have arrays of the same type of elements, but in Python we are allowed to have arrays of many different types. In that case, we store the pointers. Okay. Let us begin by defining arrays. See,
Okay, sir.
by using Python, A is equal to now. I define an array. A is equal to empty brackets. Now I'll print its type.
Sir, the screen is not.
Pardon?
The screen is not showing. Only showing programming technique BSA course.
Screen is not showing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Must be something wrong with the sharing.
BS code screen not sharing.
Okay. You can see it now.
Yeah, visual, sir.
It's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we declared a array. This is the array declaration. And I printed the type. Now what do you get? We got class list. Okay.
Okay.
An array in
Class list
Python, basic
has.
Python is a list.
Yes, sir.
This is one way of declaring an array. And this is an empty array. Just let me print this.
Okay,
Print
sir.
A. I'll do another thing. I'll also print the size of an array. See. Okay. The type is
Okay, sir.
a list. Number two. This is an empty array. Therefore, its length is 0. Okay. Now we'll
Yes,
change the
sir.
declaration. We'll comment this. A is equal to 1, 2, and 5. Now what this? I'll run the program once again. Okay. Class is list. There are 3 elements,
Yeah.
1 to 5, and therefore the count of elements is 3. Length of the array is the number of elements inside the array. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
The
as
last.
you've seen, the list is the name
Hmm.
of the class. Yeah, you are asking something?
देखो सर, प्रिंट लेंथ ए सर वो किसको डिनोट कर रहा है?
Length is the number of elements in the array.
ओके, एलिमेंट ऑफ एरे.
Length is the number of elements in the array. 1, 2, 5 were 3 elements, therefore the output was 3.
ओके, ओके सर.
Okay. This time we
ओके.
have 0 elements. So length of A is 0. And this is all open like before.
या अंडरस्टैंड सर.
Okay. Now A is equal to list. And I will add a few elements like before. Okay. So we've
Yes,
got
sir.
1, 4, 3, 6, and -9, the elements that I gave here. Okay.
Mm.
So array or a list, whatever you call it, we have both four methodologies of defining it. One, A is equal to 2 square brackets empty array. A is equal to square bracket 1, 2, 5, 3 elements array. List, 0 elements. And this is a list with 5 elements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A is the array, you can see it. And length of A is the number of elements in the array. Okay.
Mm.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
We'll see this once again. See, you can write type and then square bracket, empty square bracket. That will also show you in class list. Now there are three things or four things rather: insert, update, delete, okay, and search. So most data structures will have four functions or facilities. Okay, one is showing them. Then you can add new items, insert. You can remove some items, that is delete or pop, and we can change the value of something.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's try this first. See, indexing in the array begins at position 0. So 1 is at position 0, 7 is position 1, position 2, 3, and 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let me try this. See, this is the array A, n is equal to int input, enter index. The user of our program will enter the index, will convert that into integer, then find the value at that position and then print it. Okay,
Okay.
let me comment this for some time. See, we've got an array, I'll simply print it. A square bracket position. Print A0, what will it print?
Index 0. Value print is 1.
Yeah, value at
First
position
element
0
of the
is
array.
1, so output should be 1. It is 1. If I give 4, what will be the output?
The output is value 5 on index
0,
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Python permits negative indexing also. See, if I write -1 here, then this is -1. We'll get 5. Okay. If I use -2, it will be 44. Okay.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
get into this indexing in the future. It's very important, and just for the moment, I'll use this. Allow the user to enter the index and then print the element at that index. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Enter the index. See, I'll print 3. What will be the output?
Enter index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 44 value.
Okay. Now, if I want to
Yes,
access
sir.
44 in the negative way, what shall I enter?
Negative way means -1, -2. So -2.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What happens if I give an index that is out of range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 elements. I write 5 here. Okay. This will give you an error.
Mm.
Same we can have minus errors also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why are showing error? Because index is not found.
No, index is out of range.
Okay, okay.
See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, their
Yeah.
index starts at 0 and ends at 4. Okay. If I give 5, it's not there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Think about it. If there is a hostel and you have got 10 rooms on the ground floor, okay, you
Yes,
go and
sir.
try to sit at the room at room number 12. What will happen?
Sir, room 12 is not available.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
If you've got 10 biscuits and you start trying to eat the 15th biscuit, it's not possible, right?
Right, sir.
Index is the position. Let us give a proper value again. Element at index equal to 3 is 44. I've seen this before.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll try this, insert, update, and delete. The one we tried right now was searching. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
I commented this. We've got an array 1, 7, 3, 44, and 5. N is equal to int. We are asking a value to insert. Actually, we'll be appending this new value to at the end of the array. Okay.
Sir, here n is equal to int. Why are you using?
What /n?
Yes, sir.
You mean this one?
No, no, no. N is equal to int. Input.
Int, yeah. The index is a number, integer.
Okay.
Okay, just wait, I'll show you. See. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We print the type of n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See this now. I enter 3. This is an integer. If I remove this, I enter 2. See. This is a string, okay.
Okay.
A string cannot be a index. Index has to be a number. Okay.
In array.
In an array, of course. See. You know, house number given to me by the municipality is 18/132. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm printing this as a string since it is enclosed in double inverted commas. See this. 18/132. Okay. Okay, this is for the
Okay.
moment. Now, if I remove the brackets, then what happens? I will remove this. Okay. Inverted commas. Now, what will happen? See.
So divide this value.
Yeah. String will be shown just as it is. Okay.
Yeah.
If you use double inverted commas or single inverted commas in Python, both is allowed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If that is not the case, then my house number will be this. Okay. The municipality will be not municipality will not be able to use it.
Yes, sir.
So I'll remove this. What number do you want to add?
So here print class string.
Let's say we want to enter 6. Okay. 6 will come
Okay.
just after 5. Now, this is an string. Okay.
Yeah.
if I put int here and input 6 once again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Here
In
add
Python, you are
integer
allowed
value.
to have multiple data types, different data types in a list or array. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we succeeded in inserting. I'll comment this out now. This is to update. Updation means changing a value which is already there in the array. Okay. Now
Yes,
our
sir.
array is still this one, 1, 7, 3, 44, and 5. Now, let's suppose I want to change this and make it 144. Okay.
44 to change 144.
Yeah. So we'll find
Okay,
out the
sir.
index of this. See, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the index
3.
that I want to change is 3. And what value I want to input there? I want 144.
144.
Okay. I'll press it,
Yes, sir.
enter, and we got this, right?
Yes, sir. It
It's
will change the value.
44. Now it became 144. The previous value was replaced. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See. You are updating. I'll print the value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll post all the programs in my blog and give you a URL there in the comments. Okay. See
Yes, sir.
this. Okay. Which index do you want to update? Tell me.
Sir, index 4.
Position 4.
Sir.
Okay. Position 4. You are updating 5. At position 4,
Yes,
0,
sir.
1,
Value 5.
2, 3, 4. We've got 5. Well, what value do you want?
Sir, 50, sir.
50. Okay. Let us
Yeah.
try it once again. And this time we'll use the negative index for updation. Which one do you
Okay, sir.
want to update?
Sir, index -2.
-2.
Like as the value
Okay.
3.
Which value will change?
Value, sir, 3. Change in 39.
See, this is position 2. -1 and -2. So you will be updating this one actually.
Okay, sir.
I entered 23.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we tried out inserting at the end actually. Updating.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll try and remove a value.
Okay, sir.
That is deleting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll still have the same array. 1, 7, 3, 44, and 5. Which one do you want to delete? Let's say we want
Sir,
to delete this one, 3.
okay, sir.
What will you should I enter? Yeah.
-3 index, yeah, फिर 2 index,
Okay, positive one, positive index,
-2 index,
positive index I want. We want to remove this.
पॉजिटिव इंडेक्स में हाँ 2,
Okay,
ओके सर,
negative index,
नेगेटिव इंडेक्स में सर -3,
-3. Okay,
yes sir. Sir, why are you using a dot pop? What's working on pop?
no, this is a function here. Pop actually came first of all in a stack. Okay, pop push.
Okay sir. Pop मतलब sir removing the index value.
Now, pop is an English word which means something jumping up. Okay,
Yes sir.
you are, I mean, roasting some nuts on the fire, in a fire. Okay, they'll break up and bump. That's what pop. And that's why it's called popcorn.
Yes sir.
Something pops up and collection of that is called popcorn. Okay,
Yes sir.
now we'll try this looping through an array. Okay,
Okay sir.
there are a number of elements in an array, and we'll go to loop through and print them. See, this is our array
So
1, 2,
given
3, 4, and 5.
array and value 1, 2,
Okay,
3, 4, 5.
I'm using the indexing loop.
Okay sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We loop through and printed all the numbers in the array. Okay,
Yes sir.
and this is looping without an index.
So what do you mean without index?
See, there is no index here. Simply looping through all the elements and printing them out. Okay. Now,
Okay sir.
without an index, you cannot actually change any values. You need to assign AI equal to something if you want to change the values. Okay, assigning to X will not do.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes sir.
let's say I want to increase every value by 1 and then print it. What will do?
So every value +1.
AI plus equal to 1. Okay,
Okay, okay sir.
what's this? Okay,
Yes sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, tell me one thing. Well,
Sir, can I
we will use a range loop. Okay,
yes sir.
in the using negative section and print the elements. Can you do it? For I in range. Okay, n is the number of elements. So where will you
Okay.
start from? See, the first element in the negative way is -1. Okay,
Okay sir.
this one. Now we need to go
Yeah.
down here. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay,
Yes sir.
-1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. See, the And here has got to be one less than the required element, right?
Yes, sir. And minus 1.
I'll just write -6 for now. And every time we'll be decreasing by 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We got it.
Yes, sir.
The first one will print in the forward direction, the other one in the reverse direction. Okay. Now n is what? N is 5. 5 number of elements. And this is -6. So you can simply write -n -1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now will this work if I change values here? It should. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Sir, line number 8 and range function.
Okay, we'll study range function next time.
Yes, sir.
I put everything in on my blog. And you can actually go and see all this here if you want. I'll share this video also. See, these are the topics we're going to cover. We're starting with lesson number 3 today, arrays. Okay. You can open lesson and look it up. We have a MCQ. You can try it out. Then we've got slides. You can move up and down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll put the video over here in the evening. Okay. So, did you like the or studying of arrays?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's stop it now. Thanks for coming, Vinash. Looking forward to many more successful videos like this.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks and bye.